Let's recall Newton's gravity in its simplest manifestation. Let's suppose we have two equal masses separated by some distance d. Then Isaac Newton told us that the force between them will be inversely proportional to the square of their distance and proportional to the product of their masses. And so this mass here feels an attraction from this mass in this direction, and this formula is the force due to gravity. So the mass squared divided by the distance squared times Newton's constant g, which is a known number. The minus sign means it's pulling you in this direction. By Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This mass feels the same force, but in the positive direction. That's our starting point for understanding the cosmic web. Now, we have a little ways to go.
I'm sitting, sipping soda, realizing that it's over. My feelings he couldn't reciprocate till October. But he's the one, I wanna lay my head upon his shoulder and keep it warm because it's just about to get colder. But I said I wouldn't see him, nor would I touch him. He says he misses me much and pursued with sounds of suction through the phone. I tried to hit the dial tone to clear the mess up, a fess up, and say I'll be there soon, just clear rest up. I can't dismiss it, no matter how much I just can't resist it. And now he's telling me he finally wants to be committed. I can't call it. Would I be playing myself to fall for it? Scanning my mind to see how much time I could stall or it could blow up. Other kisses affect like anesthetic. It's never as good as the first time and you never do forget it. Feeling pathetic, but I quote it like someone said it. If you really love it, then you should just let it go. Let it go, let it flow. Move on with your life and act like you know. Been on my last breath, been between life and death, but I gotta let it go. Can't deal with the stress, I let it go. Let it go, let it flow. Move on with your life and just act like you know. Been on my last breath, been between life and death, but I gotta let it go. Can't deal with the stress.
Fucking backflip, the camera! Ah! Ah!